Dear the students of class 3, I would like to welcome all of you in homeschooling program organized by National Ideal English Version School with my Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum. This is Amiruddin, Assistant Teachers of Mathematics Day Shift. I hope all you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also fine. Now the students, let us start our today's class. Our today's topic, problems. Word problems related to addition and subtraction. In this class, we will solve two word problems. Okay, let us start. At first, I am reading the question of first word problems. Mahmuda Begum went to market with TK 1500. She bought rice for TK 375, fish for TK 530 and vegetables for TK 350. How much money was left with her? Here Mahmuda Begum is a person. He went to market and bought three items: fish, rice and vegetables. We have to find out how much money was left with her. So at first we have to find out her total cost. Then we have to subtract her total cost from total money. Then we can get the answer. Okay, now the price of rice is TK 375. The price of fish is TK 530 and the price of vegetables is TK 350. Now we will add these three numbers. 5 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 5. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. From 15 we will write 5 carrying 1. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. That means total cost is TK 1255. Now we have to subtract this 1255 from total money. Again, Mahmuda Begum had TK 1500. Total cost is TK 1255. Now we have to subtract. At first we have to subtract 5 from 0, but it's not possible because 0 is smaller than 5. So we have to take 110 from 10 place. But here in 10 place 0 exists. So at first we have to take 100 from 100 place in 10 place. When we take 100 from 100 place and it's come in 10 place, it will be 10 tens because 100 is equal to 10 tens. Now from 10 tens we will take 1 tens in ones place. Now we can consider here 10 exists. Now 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Okay. Since we have already taken 1 tens from here, now we will consider here 9 tens exist. Now 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Since we have taken 100 from 100 place, so we have to consider here 4 exist. Now 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. That means she was left with TK 245. Answer TK 245. Now the students will solve word problem number 2. Here the question is Rohim's weight is 25 kg. Akash weight is 3 kg more than Rohim's weight. Ali's weight is 34 kg. What is the difference between Akash and Ali's weight? For finding out difference between Akash and Ali's weight, we have to know the weight of Akash and Ali. Here Ali's weight already given, and here in question it is said that Akash weight is 3 kg more than Rohim's weight and Rohim's weight is given. So if we add 3 kg with Rohim's weight, then we can get Akash weight. Then we can easily find out difference. Okay. Now Rohim's weight is 25 kg. Akash weight is 3 kg more than Rohim's weight. Therefore, Akash weight is 25 plus 3 kg is equal to 25 plus 3 is equal to 28 kg. Again, Ali's weight is 34 kg. It is given in the question. Now, the difference between Akash and Ali's weight is 34 minus 28. It will be 6 kg. And answer 6 kg. Now, the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Stay at home. Obey your parents' order. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.